Welcome to Direct Care Training and Resource Center, your trusted partner in staff development for Georgia Personal Care Homes. Start your journey at gapersonalcarehometraining.com. Again, that's www.ga for Georgia, personalcarehometraining.com. Here you'll find everything you need to keep your team compliant, skilled, and confident. Simply click on General Training and you'll be taken to the most comprehensive training program in the marketplace, our subscription program. Because for just $125 per year for now, your personal care home can train up to 20 staff members in all required topics and more per year. Larger organizations? No problem. We offer small incremental add-ons for additional staff. This is by far the best product available, covering every required subject plus practical topics like proxy caregiving, medication assistance, and resident safety. Everything your team needs to deliver exceptional care. So visit today and let's get started. www.gapersonalcarehometraining.com. Again, on the web, www.gapersonalcarehometraining.com. And I'll see you there. Now you have visited the landing page, read the content, learned the process, and once you click General Training, you are here. Then you click on Get Started Now. Then open your account and start your staff subscription. Once that is done and the subscription price is paid, you will be emailed instructions and a code for your staff to use so they would not have to pay. For Georgia Personal Care Homes, this is indeed the best product available, covering every required subject plus practical topics like proxy caregiving, medication assistance, sanitary kitchen management, and resident safety. Everything your team needs to deliver exceptional care and reach the standard of excellence. Visit today and let's get started. And let's get to know one another. I'll see you at gapersonalcarehometraining.com. Again, www.gapersonalcarehometraining.com.